Let's go. All right, Keystone, first resort in North America to open. Let's go snowboarding. Super stoked that the season has now started. I'm not even gonna put my gloves on, I'm so hyped to be ripping. Thanks to the clues, we're the first riding. Make sure we're nice and tight. First downriver run. Got to break the banner this year. So like, the snow feels so good. It's October 25th. Keystone has opened for the 2025-2026 ski season. Look at this run. Everything around is green. But Keystone, with their insane snowmaking, has got us out here ripping turns. Oh, this is amazing. I've been snowboarding all summer long, but not new snow. I've been snowboarding some dirty, dirty snow. I made sure to stay, that I waxed up before to be cruising. I can only beat skiers for so long though. But one thing that has helped me was I launched a new product this summer while we're in the flat spot here. I launched Buckhouse Wax. If you guys are skiers and snowboarders, I know you're not waxing your gear and you need to start. Get some Buckhouse Wax in my bio, in the description. This is my first ever product. It's got, of course, the logo on it. So if you want to support me and the launch of my first ever legitimate product, Buckhouse Wax. Now that that's out of the way, let's keep snowboarding, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo! We're ripping. Woo! I overdressed for the occasion. If you can imagine, it is toasty warm. Woo! But we are thankful that Keystone decided to get revenge on A Basin. So A Basin announced they're opening tomorrow. So we'll be out there for that, trying to get the first chair. And with Mabel, with A Basin announcing it, Keystone's like, all right, it's on, we're opening now, which is really cool of them to get their revenge. That was a couple of years ago that A Basin snaked Keystone. So if you're a beginner, I would recommend not coming out yet. This is the only run open. It is School Martin, which is a green, but it's gonna be so full of people and there's not a lot open. You know, there's still some sides that need to get pushed. They will get more of it open with every night they've been able to make snow. I mean, this is a lot of snow. Top-notch snowmaking by Keystone. Whew. Obviously, I'm not doing a bunch of crazy cool tricks. We're just doing the run. I'm here to show you guys what is available. A lot of people get mad when I don't hold the camera behind me. They want to see where we're going. But what a rad way to start. Another thing I'm doing this year, in the year 2025, I launched Buckhouse Wax, but also I'm going for 200 days of snowboarding. So this is day 159 of snowboarding. So with it opening in October, woo, we almost got an edge right there. We are definitely going to hit our goal of 200 days. We have plenty of days to reach 200, and I'm so stoked and thankful that I get to snowboard for a living because of you guys liking, subscribing, sharing my videos. Share it too, let everyone know. Keystone's open, guys. Let's go. I think we had 2 people beat us to the bottom. But since they announced it last minute, we're gonna get a lot of laps on these empty runs. How exciting is that? But I hope you guys enjoyed that little top to bottom. Now you know what's open, what it looks like, should you come. But with that, hit the like button, subscribe, follow, whatever platform you're on. Help support me. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. YouTube really wants you to watch the video at the end of this one. It'll enhance like that video for you.